Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a box from Exotic Noods. Exotic Noods is a subscription box company, and you can get a different box every month. All sorts of different instant noodles from around the world. So let's check into this one and see what they got in there. Nice. So the first thing you're going to see when you open one of these boxes is their Features of the Month pamphlet. It's got info on all the different varieties that are going to show up in this box, so, and a little newsletter bit, so yeah, very cool. Alright, so I'm just going to go through each one of these and tell you a little bit about them, okay? Well, this is cool. I don't see stuff by this brand very often, so I'm pretty happy about it. This is Aussie brand, and this is a zhang noodle. Basically, it's got a black bean sauce and noodles, and you stir it all up, and it's really hearty, and usually they're vegan, so, or at least vegetarian. So yeah, this is a score. I'm really looking forward to it. Next up, one of my favorites I've had recently. It was really good. This is nissen deme ramen black garlic oil tonkatsu. This is good stuff. I've always liked these deme ramen varieties from Hong Kong, and this one's no exception. Good noodle, curly noodle, just like your regular instant noodle, but a little bit beefier. Not with beef. And the broth on this is really quite good. The black garlic oil mingles with the tonkatsu broth very well. Definitely a good one, so give it a try. Hey, look at that. This one's from Indonesia. This is solera pedas, and this is a mie goreng. It's a savory or spicy beef one. It's got some serious heat to it, and it's quite good. So definitely give it a try. It also has a spicy cheese one, which kind of has this cheesiness to it, plus a mayo garnish. It's a trip. It's definitely not what you might be expecting out of an Indonesian variety, but that one and this one are worth a try, so check them out. Man, this one might be one that I can review as a new number because I haven't had it in so long. This is Otogi snack ramen. So this is just like a standard Korean ramen cup, but I think it only takes 2 minutes to cook rather than 3. I don't know, maybe the calorie content is lower by a little bit, but it's a snack, so it's spicy, it's not bad. Maybe not your full featured ramen that you see all the time. Maybe a little bit less on the vegetable side, but I just remember this just seemed like a really standard South Korean cup noodle, so yeah, snack. Here's a favorite of mine. This has spent some time on the top 10 list too. This is palo cheese ramen, and it is super good. This one, it's got the little guy right here. This guy, he's telling you something. And when you make this one, I'm serious. Go to the deli and get a hunk like that thick of mozzarella or Swiss cheese rather. Drop it in it and let it sit for a little bit. It gets all gummy. It's almost like chewing gum. It's like it works perfectly in this, and all the regular accoutrements you would think to add to Korean instant noodles, egg, beef, things like that work well here. But doubling down on the cheese is even better. So yeah, I love this stuff, and if you haven't tried it, I think you will too. Wow, it just keeps coming. This one's from Vietnam. This is a kimchi flavored regular instant noodle. A lot of times these vifon bowls are rice noodles. This one appears to be just regular instant noodle with a kimchi flavor, so pretty cool. Wow, look at that. Chili crab. This is from Prima Taste from Singapore. This is a absolutely wonderful noodle. You will not be unhappy with this. It's got a nice spiciness. It's broth free. Chili crab is like the signature dish of Singapore, and they do it justice in this pack. Yeah, so get ready for some good eating. And finally, from Fashion Food, we've got a shrimp creamy tom yum. This is from Thailand. Shrimp creamy tom yum, I've been told multiple times that you get the creaminess when you boil the shrimp heads. So regardless of how the creaminess comes about, it's good. It's mellow, tasty, super, super good. Highly recommend any shrimp creamy tom yum. I think I've had this one. This brand's all right, and you get a keepsake bowl, if you will. All right, so in this, the April 2021 Exotic Noods box, you get chili crab from Singapore, kimchi noodle from Vietnam, cheese ramen from South Korea, black garlic oil tonkatsu from Hong Kong, snack noodle from South Korea, spicy beef mee goreng from Indonesia, tom yum from Thailand, zhang from South Korea, and an informative pamphlet. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, if you want to get one of these, shoot on over to exoticnoods.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider. Get yourself a discount. All right. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.